Hey, welcome to the Proving Grounds. Yeah, not exactly what you expect. Well, here's the goal. I'm going to be doing a couple of changes to Debian 12 Bookworm. Primarily, I want to set it up in a certain way so that way everything works for me. The basics, or sure, say the order of install is going to be like updating the operating system. Then we're going to do probably the next step, install Timeshift, and then just back the unit up as a clean install, so that way I don't do something, get frustrated, and then just reinstall the whole system bare metal again. It's not like I don't want to do virtual machines, it's just that I don't have time in order to set up the infrastructure for that right now. So I tend to get my hands dirty a lot. So with that, we'll move on to the screen, and here we go.